Let's learn some colors name. Red color, green color, black color, yellow color, blue color, pink color. Let's learn some alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q. Thanks for watching. Bye.